update that I wanted to give.
This is the Northern Line train, Caravan.
Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. So welcome to another day in my life. So in this video I'm going to aesthetic clinic where I'm trying something new, and it's my graduation in 2 days and I'm feeling really special about it because it's the most expensive degree I ever had and I want to get ready in the prettiest possible way. So I just can't wait to show you guys my graduation day, and I'm slowly getting back to vlogging, talking to the camera. It's been so long and I just feel I haven't done this for ages because I was not doing this for so long and I'm trying to get back to this because I really missed vlogging. So yeah, here you go, another vlog, another day in my life in London. I got ready and I came to this place in central London. So it's called Mayfair Aesthetics and I'm trying to get some facial done for months now because after coming to London I haven't focused much on skincare, hair care. I just forgot everything. So today I'm trying to give some time for myself, and yeah, I've chosen this facial called Fire and Ice, and I heard many celebrities, especially Hollywood celebrities, get this done before their red carpet walk. My graduation walk is not red carpet walk, but still I'm getting this facial done. Okay guys, done with the facial, and I am getting laser done as well for laser hair removal, and today they've done patch test. So yeah, based on the patch test they will schedule my next sessions, but let me know if there is any change. I don't know whether you can see on camera or not. If you can see any change in my face after this facial, let me know. But yeah, but the previous clips you have seen me with sunscreen and blush and other makeup, but this is without makeup, so I think I'm liking it. I don't know. Now I'm going to Oxford Street to buy few stuff for my graduation because I've got my ready to wear sari from India, and I need to buy sandals, and I'm planning to go to House of CB to check for some gowns because everybody suggests House of CB for all the graduation or special occasions dresses. So I just want to go and have a look, maybe to wear after graduation for lunch or dinner. So yeah, come along with me. busy weekend. Oxford Street is filled with people, and I just went to House of CB. It's one of the kind of luxury brand, designer brand for the frocks, gowns, and occasional wear dresses. And I just went to see because I already have my graduation dress and I already have my party wear after that. Just to check, I went because I've seen so many Instagram videos of House of CB and all the dresses were looking dreamy. And I didn't get any gown. It was just a trousers and hoodie, and I loved it. Hey guys, I'm done with shopping. I got a lot of stuff. You can see the bag. And there was sale going on in H&M, so I got a lot of stuff. And me and my friend went to dinner, and then we finally came for drinks. I'm trying out this thing. So yes, this is the update that I wanted to give about new role, and like everything has been kind of settling in now. Last 1 year has been really hectic, and even one day I was not giving time for myself. Every day was really busy with part-time university and other side hustles that I always do. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I don't know, I'm really excited and emotional about the graduation ceremony because I didn't had this proper graduation till now. So I'm really excited, and I don't know, like especially my graduation is tomorrow, and I like everything started hitting in, like, oh my god, it's been 1.5 years living in London, and it was just a dream. It's just started as a dream, and now this is my reality, and I am in London and I am working at Universal. This is not a dream anymore. So the worst parts, I just felt, you know, I don't know, am I even capable? Am I just always thinking that I can do, but I'm not actually doing, but I don't feel that anymore. Yeah, so if you are really persistent about doing something, definitely go after it. You know, trust yourself and trust the universe, and you'll definitely get there. And in my next videos I'll share my detailed journey, and I'll be sharing few vlogs. I have so many uni vlogs as well. So don't get confused, why is she posting university vlogs, why is she posting part-time job vlogs. I have a bunch of videos for you, so just stay tuned, subscribe and share it with your friends as well. So yeah, bye bye, have a good day guys.